Take a look at this engine. Looks fine, right? No warning lights, no weird noises, everything feels normal. But here's the catch, serious engine damage can be happening right now, silently. Today, I'll show you 5 hidden problems that destroy your car even when it feels perfect, and how to stop them before it's too late. Oil breakdown is the #1 hidden killer of engines. Even if your oil looks okay, it can lose its protective properties inside the engine. Contaminated oil loses viscosity, stops lubricating and forms sludge on crucial parts. Here's a trick. Rub a little oil between your fingers. If it feels gritty or looks dark, you've got a problem. Don't trust the oil life monitor. Change your oil every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers, and always use the right grade. When oil breaks down, you risk total engine failure. Prevention is cheap compared to a rebuild. Remember, oil is cheaper than metal. Take care of it, and your engine will last. If your car's lost some pep but shows no warning lights, carbon buildup is likely the culprit. Carbon deposits form inside intake valves and throttle bodies, especially in direct injection engines. This chokes airflow, causing sluggish acceleration and poor fuel economy. Shine a light inside your throttle body. See black gunk? Time for a cleaning. Use intake cleaner, or get a professional walnut blast for severe buildup. Regular cleaning restores performance and saves you from expensive repairs. Your coolant system quietly protects your engine, but older contaminated coolant eats away at vital parts. Corrosion blocks coolant passages and destroys radiators and head gaskets. Check your coolant regularly for rust, debris, or odd smells. Flush your coolant system every 2 to 3 years, regardless of lifetime claims. Don't forget to inspect hoses for softness or bulges. They can burst without warning. Fresh coolant is cheap insurance against catastrophic engine damage. Sensor drift is a hidden problem. Sensors get lazy over time, giving wrong readings without triggering a warning light. This throws off your fuel mixture and timing, causing lost power and more engine wear. Every oil change, scan your car for live sensor data. If readings are off, clean or replace the sensor. Sometimes a quick spray is all it takes. Routine sensor checks keep your engine running like new. Don't underestimate the power of a scan tool and a can of cleaner. Hidden fluid leaks, oil coolant transmission fluid, can destroy your engine without leaving a puddle. Over time, low fluid levels cause major damage. Check under your car for fresh spots and inspect gaskets, hoses, and reservoirs for wetness or buildup. Monitor all fluid levels regularly, not just oil. Early detection means a cheap fix, not a costly rebuild. Don't trust lifetime fluid claims. Everything needs topping off or replacing. Make fluid checks part of your routine to avoid breakdowns. Your car might feel fine, but hidden problems are quietly destroying it. Catching these issues early saves thousands and extends your engine's life. 5 minutes with a dipstick, flashlight, and scan tool can make all the difference. Prevention is always cheaper than repair. Be smarter than your dashboard. Comment below which problem you think your car has, and subscribe for more real DIY fixes.